While wrapping the shoot for Dasvi in Agra Central Jail last year, actor Abhishek Bachchan promised to hold an exclusive screening at the location for the inmates, and now the actor has proved true to his words. Team Dasvi, including Abhishek as well as co-actors Yami Gautam, Nimrat Kaur and director Tushar Jalota, returned to the city to screen Dasvi for 2,000 prisoners. The grand setup saw senior officials welcome the cast and crew of the upcoming film, which tells the story of Gangaram Chaudhary, an unpar, corrupt and Dil Se Desi politician who finds a nai chunauti in prison, which is education. Abhishek took to his social media and shared a heartfelt note on fulfilling his promise. He wrote, "A promise is a promise. Last night, I managed to fulfill a commitment I made a year ago. The first screening of our film Dasvi held for the guards and inmates of Agra Central Jail. We shot the film here. Their reactions are memories I will remember and cherish for a lifetime." Bachchan also donated an assortment of books for the inmates to enjoy at the library. Sources close to the crew revealed that the inmates were humbled by the actor's thoughtful gestures. They fell in love with the film too, especially going gaga over Abhishek's character. Produced by Dinesh Bijan under his banner Maddock Films, Geo Studios and Bake My Cake Films, Dasvi will release on Netflix India and Geo Cinema on April 7th.